Right, this is a video I've been putting off making for a long time. This is everything that I got from the Royal Mint the last time I was there, which is what, 7th of March, so 2 months ago. And the main reason for me not making a video until now is people gave me things and I can't necessarily remember everybody's name that gave me something, so I'm really embarrassed about that. But I will finally go through this and I will show you what I got, and things that I take out of this bag will lead on to other videos as well. So okay, let's take a look. Okay, so what we got in the bag, we got loads of things, and straight away you can see a very familiar face. So let's get into this. Christopher Collects token. Wow, I've definitely made it as a coin tuber now. I get a free one of these. I've been after one of these for ages actually. I finally got one. Let's open it up, and there's a little bit of blurb there. I'll hold that still if you want to pause and read that. And then we'll have a look at the actual coin, the Holy Toledo coin. Very cool. I'm very jealous that he's got his own coin. I think he's thinking about making another one, so that'd be interesting to see what a second one's like. And then we got it on the back there, 89 of 1,000. Christopher Collects, and the specs and the designer there. So that's cool. I'm loving that. That will take up pride of place in my collection, so put that off to one side. So what else we got? Oh, we got a GoPro. We'll put that back. Alright, so the reason we went to the Mint, of course, or one of the reasons we went to the Mint, was to get some Strike Your Own. So let's put that over there. This is the first of the dinosaur coins. They were doing the Strike Your Own for the second one for about 2 days, and then it will shut down because of the coronavirus. If you've got one of these Strike Your Own from those 2 days, I think they're worth quite a bit of money, maybe about 80-90 pounds, probably maybe a little bit more by now. There you go, Megalosaurus. Actually a really nice card as well. That's really fun the way they've done that. A little bit about what they're saying about the coin. If you want to have a little read of that, you're welcome to. In an Absolute Coin style-y. And then on the back we got the specs. And of course we've got Queenie down the bottom. So very nice. Right, what else we get? Oh, I've got a load of badges. And that one's from Coin Patrol. That's like a little sticky backed one. I was trying to find somewhere to stick it that wasn't what's that? That's a badge I bought from the shop. We've got Christopher Collects Magnanimity. He was giving those out on the day, on the Saturday I think, and maybe some on the Sunday. So if you've got one of those and you were at the Mint on that day in history, hold on to that. A very special badge. Right, what have we got? Raftree. I bumped into him, had a little chat, and he gave us this little key ring. And to commemorate the weekend, the Royal Mint Coin Tuber Meetup, 7th of March 2020. So that's like a couple of months ago, but it seems so much longer than that. It does seem like an age. Ah, there we go. This is one. This is a cool one. That Purple Fairy was there as well, and I got a Purple Fairy badge, which is quite cool. I liking that. Nice. And what else? Ah, there you go. Get those out. What, I don't know. 50p's. No. Right. Okay. So these were a couple of pieces of 8 that I got from GSA Wolf coin. How do you say it? Is it GSA Wolf coin? Anyway, sorry. These are really cool as well, and I like the fact they're actually metal. They're not plastic or anything. Little pieces of 8. Very nice. I think they're the same. Yeah, same design. Very cool. I'm liking them. Good. Put them back in there. And then we got two two sets of coins. Again, I can't remember who gave me these now. I was chatting to one fella and he said he's got some coins in his car. So he went out to the car park, bought back some coins, and he had this one that I haven't got in my collection. It's the... Oh, I'm going to have to look it up. Right, find a coin. The old £2 coin, pre-97. Oh, okay, United Nations. Right, so United Nations. 1,668,576 coins were minted. Cool, okay. There we go. But I can't remember the gentleman's name. Anyway, so I bought that off of him. Can't remember how much I paid. And I can't remember the gentleman's name. Damn it. Bit embarrassed by that. There was quite a few people there. And my memory's rubbish, so apologies if that was you. Please let me know if that was you sold me that coin. But that will go into my album. Very happy to get that. And also... put these down there. And I'm more embarrassed by the fact that I don't know who gave me these 5 American State Quarters. So I'm going to have to get these in my album. There we go, some State Quarters. I think I've got that one. But we will have to make another video about my State Quarters because I've still got a ton off to one side to actually look for and put in my album. So we'll do the State Quarters and then I've got to start on my Park Quarters as well. But like I say, I can't remember who gave me those and I am deeply embarrassed. But please let me know if that was you so I can thank you properly. Just embarrassed to not remember who that was. Yeah, so sorry about that. So, but someone I can remember, Matt from Coins and More, he bought me a Skegness piece of rock. So I think I'm going to have to go and get some Southend sticks of rock and take them to the mint next time and see if Matt's there. And that would be cool to repay the favour. Is there anything else? What's that? 10p's, stuff I bought from the mint. Right, so everything else in the bag is what I bought from the mint, I think. The other thing that I did get from Raftree was a little, what do we call them, inserts. Great Friar of London. And he was giving away some of the ones that have been, some of them that went a bit wrong. So he gave me a Christopher Collects one, but it's got this little mark or watermark or something in this corner, so that was a rejection one, but he was giving them out to a few people. So I got a Christopher Collects page insert, a coin insert for the Great Friar of London. So yay, I'm happy with that too. Cool. So that got them. Right, on to Mr. Dan Temple's very kind parcel. Let's push that back. Let's put that down there. And Trev, rare coin. Now, you've probably seen these. What's that? Christopher Collects sending me a photo on WhatsApp. So you've probably seen other coin tubers. I've got the postcards from Dan Temple. This is my first one, and I was just ecstatic to get this. I was really hoping that he would do one for me. Every other coin tuber's got one, and it's about time I was hoping he'd do one for me, and he did, and I'm just so grateful, so blessed. Take a look at this absolute masterpiece of a postcard painting. How cool is that? Don't you just want this lockdown to end and we can all jet off on holidays again and go and drink some Mai Tais under a palm tree at sunset? Cheers, Dan. And I love his little stamp in the corner as well, and his taekwondo get up or whatever he has. But that's pretty cool. That is pretty special. We'll put that at the top there. And of course, he's made me a coin. 4 of 25. the mint, and the 7th of the 2nd, 2020. Oh, 2nd of the 3rd, 2020. Yes, it was March, wasn't it? Oh dear, silly me. Right, let's take this off. Happy days, Dan. That is fantastic. Oh, loving that. Like I say, I'm sure you've seen a lot of Dan's handiwork on some of the other CoinTubers channels, but this is mine. So it's better than all the others. It's mine. Okay, what is in here then? So we've got Trev, rare coin. I've been waiting for a couple of months to open this. A bit embarrassed that I'd forgot who's given me the other things, other coins I mentioned. Yeah, let's open this up. Coins to collect. Cool. I almost want to save the masking tape. Coins to collect. Masking tape from Dan Temple. Keep a bit of masking tape. Now, what is this? Look at this. Let's zoom this right in. Coins. Ah. What a work of art. Look at that. Coins to collect. 2020. Excellent. Nice. Nice bit of weight to that as well. Very cool. Thanks, Dan Temple. And a little smiley face on the edge there. That's really cool. Can you push this in? Can you push the innards out? Oh, it's got a edge inscription as well. Big Trev. Cool. Big Trev 2020 again. Very nice, Dan. Thank you very much. I'm liking that. That is very special. Very chuffed. Very happy to get that. Fantastic. That has got to be the thumbnail, isn't it, I guess, or part of the thumbnail. We'll take a picture of that and get that on Instagram. Brilliant. Oh, so happy with that. I mean, I'm so happy with all my gifts. There was actually one more, wasn't there? I just remembered now. Dan Temple did something else. Now, where was that? What have I done with that? Right, can't find it, never mind. It is here somewhere, but I don't know what I've done with it. I will show you in the next video, because I'm going to show you one more thing, and then I'll show you the rest of the items that I bought in the next video. But my very good friend, and I can now say very good friend, Mr. Bungle Collects Coins, he got me some £2 coins that I asked for. He got me some Shakespeare's comedies. I haven't found any down here, down south, and he's found an abundance of them in Middlesbrough. Got 3 there. I did have 4, but I gave one to my friend Ross to put in his album, his Change Checker album. Also, Bungle gave me a couple more Benjamin Bunnies. That one's got an L and M, Lady M. L on the left and M on the right. So this one must have a B. Is that it on the left? I say my eyesight is absolutely terrible. As soon as this lockdown is over, I've got to go and get my eyes tested. But yeah, okay. B for Bungle and an L and an M, Lady M. Also, the very last thing I'm going to show you on this video, another little badge I got. If you got one of these, you are a very lucky person. But this is a badge saying Bungle's cocktail stick. He had quite a few different designs, but this one I liked most. So I've got hold of one of Bungle's cocktail sticks. Very nice little haul. Let me bring this down. Very nice. These steak quarters will go towards making another steak quarter video. We've got some what are they called? Shakespeare's comedies coins to put away in my little collection. Might want to add one of those to one of my albums maybe. Loads of badges. Sticker Rock. I love these pieces of 8. I love me Purple Fairy badge. And of course I've got my Dan Temple goodies. A lovely postcard, beautiful painting, and a couple of really great special coins. Now he did make a coin for someone else. And like I say, I have got that. I will find that and I will show you that in the next video. But I am finishing this video on a high because I'm a very lucky boy. Some very nice finds, very nice gifts there. And I'm just waffling now, so I'm gonna go and we'll see you in the next video where I show you all the things I actually bought from the Mint. Thanks for hanging out. If you like this video, please remember to go and tick that like button, subscribe, and if you hit that notification bell, you'll never miss another episode. But like I say, until the next video of goodies from the bag, keep looking out for those coins to collect.